This is RedMagic 9S Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. I recommend that you begin by checking whether your smartphone is, or should I rather say, whether your smartphone has the D&D or airplane modes enabled, and if it is true, switch either or both of them off by launching the control panel and, well, tapping at their icons. So both of those modes prevent you from being able to receive any incoming phone calls. So that's why it is crucially important to make sure that they are deactivated. Then what you might also want to try is to launch your device's settings, then enter the mobile network, mobile data, and switch off the VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling features. Even though those options are pretty useful and are very much effective in their own right of improving the quality of your phone calls, under certain circumstances they may bug out and, well, prevent you from being able to receive phone calls at the first place. So it is worth to try switching them off. And if that didn't help either, I guess the final thing you can try doing is reboot your phone. So simultaneously press volume up and power buttons, or press and hold perhaps. Nope, just hold the power button then. Nope, doesn't work. Or actually, never mind. Just restart your phone. And then the final thing that I would recommend you try is contact your carrier or mobile network provider directly to see if the issue is laying on their end rather than yours, simply. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.